Oh, it was just asleep. Oh, how long have I been asleep? Oh, wait, what? Did I eat something? What was on this plate? Are those crumbs? Let's see, what could this be? Oatmeal cookies? But did I eat all of them? Why did I even make oatmeal cookies to begin with? And when?
Welcome back, everyone, to episode 6 of Consomme and Cream. I'm your host, Cookie. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make oatmeal cookies. Delicious and nutritious. I mean, not necessarily, but I mean, oatmeal is a daily part of a healthy breakfast, right? Am I right? Alright? Am I right?
Yeah.
So today you'll be needing 3/4 cups of butter, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1 cup of dark brown sugar, and regular sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 cups of all natural flour, and of course, last but not least, 3 cups of oats. I'm not showing the other side because I don't want to get trademark infringed. Let's begin. Okay, alright, you're not starting. You're out. Go and end it! Today we're going to set the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So be sure to preheat that sucker. We're going to be stuck with a whole lot of cookie dough. Now I like to soften up my butter, probably for 15 seconds in the microwave. I'm going to go ahead and dump them in the mixing bowl right there. You see? It's already getting nice and creamy. And we're going to go ahead and cream that up with the sugars. And 1 cup of dark brown sugar. After you got in your sugars and butter in there, it's time to cream them up. Lock that sucker and set it to a nice low speed. Just to listen to the rhythm. Now after you've gotten the butter to cream up nicely with the brown and sugar, you want to go ahead and put in 1 egg at a time into the mixture and make sure you mix it up nicely. And after the egg's been fully incorporated, you want to toss in the other egg. Now that we've got our eggs in, it's time to put in some vanilla. I know some of you out there are not of the vanilla type, but it is okay. I don't shame here. Vanilla is just good enough on its own. Alright? We're going to go ahead and put in 1 teaspoon in it. Throw in 1 teaspoon of vanilla, maybe a little bit more, and toss that in. And get it mixing. Alright, now for the dry ingredients. Now you could incorporate them into an extra bowl, whisk them about, make sure they're all fully integrated, and then throw them into the wet mixture. Or you could do it the consomme way, which some of you might call the lazy way, but I've patented this, alright? It's the consomme way, and just put all the dry ingredients here at once, just stir it up. It worked well for me last time, I'm sure it'll work well this time. You can do whatever you feel is best though. So we're going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Seems to be a recurrent theme here. Also add 1 baking soda. That's right, the entire box. No, I'm just messing with this. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Alright. We're going to want to add 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. And last but not least, 2 cups of flour. Last but not least, you want to throw in 3 cups of oats into your mixture. So let's go ahead and get that in. let's talk baking dishes. Right here I have a 15 by 10 inch. It doesn't really matter which one you use, honestly. Just find a baking dish that works for you. Just be sure to know that the color of baking dish you have will affect how fast it heats up and how fast your cookies will bake. So depending on whether you want them chewy or crunchy, be sure to take that into consideration along with the cooking time. So normally you would want to grease this baking dish, but here's Consomeal's fun fact tip of the day. Get parchment paper. It's nice, easy, no mess to clean up afterwards. So when you're rolling up your dough, you want to go ahead and figure out how big you want them. Of course, the smaller they are, the more you'll have. But most likely the more you'll be tempted to eat. It's all the same anyways. This is all for you. We all know that. You're just alone at home. Just wanting someone to love, you know? Just needing some company. So you fill that void with the power of food. I'm with you there, buddy. So you just go ahead and take a size like this and just want to roll it up in the palm of your hand. And after you get an orb that's just about right, just press down on it. Don't want to go too flat, but don't want to go too light on it also. And so begins the monotony of life, never ending, never quenched by the thirst of humanity. Can't escape this. The repetitiveness of anything, any menial task. Hell, I could eat this cookie dough by itself right now.
You'll die.
Don't tell me what to do, Jackson. Don't tell me what to do, Oven. Alright, we have the cookies nice and flattened, ready to be put in the oven. 375. Slide them in there. And I like my cookies a little chewy, but not raw. So I'm gonna go ahead and have them bake for around 9 minutes. Let's see how those cookies come out, eh? Here's our oatmeal cookies. This is just the first batch, mind you. So soft, chewy, moist. Just the right thing that I need. So whether you're feeling happy and want to give these to your loved one, or just upset, sad, tired, emotionally drained, these are guaranteed to make whoever is going to eat these really happy and forget about the rest of their problems. I've been your host, Oreo, and I'll see you next time. Eat fresh.
It all makes sense now. Ever since she left, I've been trying to fill that hole in my heart with anything I can cook, bake, eat. I long to see the day when she'll be back home, back where she rightfully belongs.